Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating essentials. Confirm the Android build and Play services are up to date, and check the app's permissions for storage, network, and overlay access. Once done, identify which Add SDK and mediation adapters the app uses so you know what to target. Make sure developer options don't block background data. That often breaks ad loads. These steps let you narrow root causes quickly and prepare for targeted fixes, rather than guessing at random settings or reinstalling blindly. You enable verbose SDK logs in your app and reproduce the failing ad flow. Logs reveal network errors, timeouts, or ad format rejections. Next, update the Ad SDK mediation adapters and related Gradle libraries to the latest compatible versions. Compat issues are common. Once updated, switch to test ad units and try varied network conditions: Wi-Fi, mobile data, and filtered DNS. This tells you whether the problem is credentials, network, or a broken adapter, and guides the next corrective changes. You apply fixes based on diagnostics, correct ad unit ID, adjust timeouts, and ensure user consent flows and privacy flags meet SDK requirements. Then build a release candidate and monitor analytics, add callbacks, and crash reports to confirm impressions and revenue hooks are restored. If ads still fail, clear app cache, reinstall, and capture full logs and network traces for the failing ad request. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure with test ads and full logs before contacting
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.